is a way of life for Patricia Agent.
I love it. Food always make you feel good.
She's been a part of the patient healing process for years, serving as the executive chef for Culinary Solutions by LeeSar. LeeSar is a partnership with Lee Health that provides nearly 15,000 daily meal equivalents to most of our facilities.
What I do is I try to imagine myself in that bed, what I would like.
The LeeSar team prepares food day and night for both our cafeterias and hospital patients. The meals are shipped off every day to ensure freshness. They don't forget about taste.
All the food has to be flavorful. Okay, if the patient's not going to eat it, like we said, we look at food as medicine, and if it doesn't taste good to them, it doesn't smell right, they're not going to eat it.
When Agent comes up with a recipe, it needs to be approved by a certified dietitian to ensure that the patient's dietary needs are met.
If I have too much sodium and a low sodium diet, I use things like vinegar powder, other herbs, anything to try to bring that flavor back to that patient.
Preparing food to our exact specifications so our patients can heal as fast as possible.
And if we can provide them with the nutritional meals that fit their specific diet, and then they leave that hospital and then they don't re-enter, I mean, that's a good feeling for us.
While ensuring everyone has a tasty and nutritious meal. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.